to ensure for the free and fair elections for the voters in Bhoi district to exercise their votes in this upcoming state legislative assembly elections to be held on February 27th in the state. The district election officer of Bhoi, Arpit Upadhyay, on Monday announced that the model code of conduct has been enforced strictly in Bhoi as per the provisions of the model code of conducts. While briefing the media persons at his office chamber at Nongpo, district election officer and Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi, Arpit Upadhyay, said that the model code of conduct has been strictly enforced in Bhoi following the announcement of date by the Election Commission of India on January 18th, and since then the model code of conduct has been enforced.
Who is eligible for absentee under this category of absentee. I would like to bring to your notice that this year we are having there has been a change, and for especially voters which are of senior citizens and which are differently abled. So for them they have been categorized as absentee voters, and now they have an option to use the postal ballot also.
And now here is the